How to get the new YouTube update. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your iPhone and tap on the search bar and search for YouTube. Mine is showing update here, so that means that my YouTube is not updated. So I will go ahead and tap on the update button in order to get the latest YouTube. If there is no update, then it will be showing open instead of update. So this is how you can get the new update of YouTube. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.